What is the doubt here?
Can you explain this question, sir?
A thermally insulated vessel contains some water at 0 degree. The vessel is connected to a vacuum pump to pump out water vapor. This results in some water getting frozen. It is given latent heat is this, blah, 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 maximum percentage of water that can be solidified in this manner. This water. Now, a part of the water will evaporate. And to evaporate, it needs heat, latent heat of vaporization. That it will take from the remaining water. But the remaining water is at 0 degree. So as soon as this heat is taken from this 0 degree water, this 0 degree water will solidify. So this water will evaporate. Evaporator, see, for evaporation, we don't have to reach boiling point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So let's say X amount of mass is evaporating. The balance mass is M minus X. So we want to keep doing this process until some water is evaporated and remaining is solidified. Evaporated and solidified. So X into the latent heat of vaporization. This is the heat which it has taken, and heat taken can also be written as heat taking will result in solidification. Actually, reverse way. Are you understanding this funda?
Sir, yes, sir.
X into 21 into 10 to the power 5 is equal to M minus X into 3.36 into 10 to the power 5. Is this clear how we got this?
Sir, yes, sir.
So X is something which is evaporated. We need to find out M minus X. Let's call this as Y. This becomes M minus Y. So we get 21 M minus 21 Y. So this is a fraction which can be solidified. To solidify the remaining thing, we have to evaporate the other part. Heat taken by other part will be equal to heat required to be taken to solidify.
Yes, sir.
Only for evaporation, we don't have to reach the boiling point. Yeah.